Want a copy of all your Monzo transactions? In this guide, I will show you how to export your spending history straight from the Monzo app. First, open the Monzo app and go to the Home tab. Tap on your account tab to view your balance and transactions. Next, look for the search bar at the top. Then tap the little download or export icon in the corner. Here you can generate a full statement of your account. You'll get the option to choose a month, a custom date range, or even your entire history. Select the format you want, usually PDF, CSV, or QIF. CSV is great if you want to analyze your spending in Excel or Google Sheets. Once you have chosen, tap Export. The file will be generated instantly and you can share it, save it, or email it directly from your phone. And that's it. You have successfully exported your Monzo spending history. If you're on Monzo Plus or Monzo Premium, you also get advanced export options including full integrations with apps like QuickBooks and Xero. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.